Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way on how you can change your region in Netflix. Now what changing region actually means is basically just changing the country that you're viewing from. So if you didn't know already, some shows on Netflix are only available in certain countries. So if you were in one country but you needed to be in a different country to be able to watch this show, I'm going to show you how to change your region now so you can watch that show. So you might have been on Netflix and come to your settings here looking for an option to change your region. And I'll say now, there isn't actually a way to change a region in the settings. However, there is another way and it is still possible. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to open up Google and you just want to type in Opera GX download. And click on this first non-sponsored link here. And this is basically just the browser I'm using now. It's a browser for gamers, but what it allows us to do is activate a VPN. So we can basically go into Netflix and basically make it look like we're from any country so we can watch any shows we want. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded it, it'll look something like this. And to start with, you just want to go into your settings up here. And you just want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see privacy and security here. And just look for the VPN setting, which is here. And we're just going to click this, enabling settings. Now it's going to ask if we understand, and we're going to click yes. And up here at the top where it says enable VPN, we just want to toggle this so it's on. Now, enabling VPN might slow down your Wi-Fi a little bit, so if you've got really slow Wi-Fi, make sure this is probably toggled off so that it doesn't start automatically. Unless you're only really using this browser for Netflix, and then it shouldn't really matter too much. So once you've got the VPN turned on, you want to head back into Netflix. Okay, so we're on the home page now, and as you can see, I've still got the UK Netflix. But what we're going to do is we're going to hover over this VPN, and we're going to choose a free location. So let's just say I wanted to watch a show in Asia. We're going to select Asia. And now I can refresh. And as you can see, there's now shows that wasn't here before, such as this and this. And as you can see, there's just a few more shows that aren't usually on Netflix. And we can do the same if we go back to here and we try to go to America and then hit refresh. As you can see, more shows that weren't there before. So since this VPN is free, you can't specifically choose a certain country. However, there are VPNs out there which you can pay a monthly fee for, and they will have more features such as being able to choose a specific country. So if you want to watch a show that's only in one country and it's not supported on here, that probably is the way you're going to have to do it. But if the show's really good and you're going to spend a lot of time watching it, then it's definitely worth doing it, as it's hours of entertainment pretty much. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to change your region inside of Netflix. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.